Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing fine. I'm doing pretty good. I just want to show you something. I took a vase from this, just a empty vase, and this is from the Dollar Tree. I took it from this to this. I made this with the Mosaic Tile that I found in Dollar Tree. And oh, I think it came out pretty cute. And look how nice it looks with the flowers in it. I had made this one earlier, and I just made it plain, just with the plain Mosaic tiles, this color one. I took this one. This one seems to be like a standard one. See me back there? This seems to be a standard one that I use. But I used the blue in there. And since I have one more left, which is this one, I'm going to either use the, oh no, not the pink. I'm going to use the gold, I think. I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to mix it with the, I'm going to use the gold, and I'm going to mix it, of course, with the just plain mirrored one. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it with that one. So I will definitely let you see it once I'm done. And I'm just trying to be a little creative with these vases. My husband absolutely loves them. He thinks that is all she wrote, you know. But I said, okay, well, it's all right. And I find it fun and relaxing doing these DIYs, do it yourself, and I find it very relaxing doing them. So I'm gonna do this one, and I believe this one here, and I believe what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna give them to my family, my daughter-in-laws, as gifts. And they could put, I'm going to even put some flowers in it like that, so that they can, you know, display them in their homes. That's if they like it. If they don't like it, they don't have to have it. But yeah, that's what I just said that I'm going to do with it. I have a lot of DIYs that I've been doing, and I just haven't finished. Like that rug that I was making, I haven't finished that yet, so I have to finish that. I mean, I was doing that one with my sister, and you know, since she's not here anymore, I just haven't felt motivated to do it, but I'm gonna get back to it. I mean, these are nice things to do. I mean, I used to do all kinds of things with the kids at school. We'd make all kinds of projects that they absolutely loved. So anyway, I'm going to use here, I'm going to use the flowers, oh excuse me, that I got from Michael's in those boxes. Yep. So this is my latest DIY, and it's just a replica of the first one that I did. But this is the second one with color in it. So I don't know, let me know how you like them. They're so simple to make. You guess what? I have not been able to find any more of this mosaic stuff inside the Dollar Tree. I mean, they got it, and that was it. No more. Now it's no more. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up the video. Press that notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. Guys, I love you much, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.